Right, sort of in the heart of the trails now. This one's called Snowbird. It kind of goes all over the place. I'm not sure where, but I'll just keep following different trails. Hopefully I'll actually get to one of these up top of this hill. We'll see. Yeah, peaceful day. Blue skies. Good exercise. Right, I'm just going to record a bit now. Just come to the side splits. Apparently this is a 6.5k loop I'm about to start, so it's called Snowbird. So yeah, let's do a bit of onboard footage. I don't know what I'm filming. It's hard to just film, see what I'm filming, but anyway, should just go right one-handed a little bit. Let's see, some cool footage on the bike. Oh, so I don't know where we're going. Down the hill a bit. It's awkward one-handed. All these bumps and lumps. Oh. Gee whiz, I should get a head cam. This is crazy. But I'm crazy. Like the hill. Back up this side one-handed. That's the straw. Yeah, she's pretty hard to go one-handed. So I have to stop cam a minute. So we come to a bit of an open now. This is Martel Mountain. That must be this or that one. I think this one. But behind those trees are the Rocky Mountains. It's pretty cool. Now I suppose the altitude and biking. So we're coming biking up from Kimberley. It's tough. It's a hard spot. Right, this just stopped just seeing this point here is a viewpoint. You can see the Rockies. What's that? Some animal making a noise I've never heard of. But anyway, yeah, there's a sign. It's actually on the floor. It reads about between the Canadian Rockies and these personal mountains lies the Rocky Mountain Trench, which stretches from Mexico to Alaska. At 2,846 metres or 9,392 feet, Mount Fisher soars above the rest of the peaks, and its tiny summit is accessible to hikers. It goes on a bit there, and that is, obviously, this is trying to zoom in actually, so you can see it. Oh, she's a bit fuzzy, come on. We got that little peak right in the middle. How come my camera's fuzzed up? There's a high little peak there. And the other Rockies there. It's blurry. What's going on? I never knew that name before. I used to just call it the Horn, because it looked like a horn stuck out. And I never knew it was that high. And apparently you get to it from the hiker. That'd be good to do one day. Right, I'm going to carry on now, so the other trail, just keep going on. Good day. We come to another like view place. It's called Sunshine Corner. It's really nice. Pretty deep valley down there. I won't go down there on my bike. Yeah, it's nice flowing hills. It's like, and there's like a picnic area. I'll just pan around slowly. There's a seat there, and there's another seat for bikers. And then you got the trails that just come from there. Just stopped and saw this. So I thought I'm gonna take some more video footage. apologise for heavy breathing. I've come up this trail. It goes towards called Dipper Lake, and it's a very difficult steep hill, purely altitude as well. You can certainly tell the difference. I got no breath, and it's tough. Alright, this is called Dipper Lake. Finally got here. It's just like paradise really, and I see there's actually a trail there. That's where you're supposed to go through. It's actually on the map as well. But obviously it's water, and I don't want to get that wet, so I'm not going to go around there. You can see in the backyard some hills up there. Got a little bit of white on the top of them. I'm just using a small digital camera. So yeah, it's just like reeds, and it's beautiful. I don't even know what altitude this will be, but I guess in a month's time. Oh, what's that? Those dragonflies. I guess in a month's time or so it'll be start to freeze over. Yeah, because we're quite an altitude. I guess over 6,000 feet. Yeah, beautiful Dipper Lake. Alright, I just got to the top of it's called Shannon Trail that comes from Dipper Lake. Pretty nuts, very narrow, thin, dangerously overhand, sort of like a cliff edge basically, and come to the crossroads. I can't remember exactly the coral route, Bullfrog Hill, and that's Bear Trail. I think Bear Trail's one. It's going back towards Kimberley way, so that's what I'm going to head for. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, I just saw the sign, it said Bear Trail viewpoint. While I'm up here, I may as well come to it, and I'm so glad I did. Look at this, what a view. And then just over there, them trees, Rockies, you can just see them. I just wish I had my better quality camera, but wow, 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 it's just beautiful. Anybody doubted that there was a creator that created all this world, then here's the evidence he did. It's wonderful. Bike up here, but worth it. Totally amazing. I've been coming up Bear Creek Trail. It's awesome downhill, and it's pretty hard to do one-handed, but I'm going to give it a go. Should get a little bit, it won't be very fast, but it has been a cool trip. I don't know, I must be holding my camera in there. It's nuts, but it's really good fun. I don't even get this. It's just too bumpy to hold my hand, but I'm a bit flat now. Yeah, this is a bit better. It's been really enjoyable coming back downhill again for once. So hard going up, but beautifully coming down. So yeah, this. Oh, I can hear something. Who that is? Oh well, I'll meet them. Oh well. Right, finally back in Kimberley now. Just eating a nice ice cream, nice long bike ride. So yeah, been a good day. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.